Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. I hope all of you are fit and fine, safe in your home. Let's start today's class. In this class, we're going to solve some puzzle type of question. So be ready and be attentive for the next few minutes. In this video, some extra question also will be given. So at that time, just take the picture of the screen and do the question and answer. Okay, so let's start. So there are some question given in your book. Let's read the first question. The first question is, I come between 40 and 50 and there is a 5 in my name. The answer is given here, 45. Now let's read the second question. I have 9 in my name and I'm very close to 90. But when we are reading this type of question, we are facing some problem, I think. So, and these questions seems like little bit tricky one. So let's understand this question first. Let's do this type of some questions. Then we'll come back to this page again, and then we'll solve the question. So let's do the first question. First question is asking that I came between 40 and 50 and there is a 5 in my name. Who am I? Whenever we are doing this kind of question, we have to take a help of number table. You can draw it in a page and we can solve this question. Okay, now come to the question. The question is, I came between 40 and 50 and there is a 5 in my name. So first find out the number which came between 40 and 50. So these are the number: 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48 and 49. So these are the number which will come between 40 and 50. Now among these number, which number has the digit 5? Yes, you are right. It's 45. So here answer will be 45. Now come to the next question. Next question is that I came between 60 and 70 and there is a 3 in my name. Who am I? So we can take the help of number table. First steps, we should find out the number between 60 and 70. What are the number between 60 and 70? So these are the number between 60 and 70: 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68 and 69. Among these number, which find out the number which have the digit 3. So is it 63? Yes, you are correct. So here answer will be 63. Now come to the next one. I came between 80 and 90 and there is a 7 in my name. First we have to find out the number between 80 and 90. Those are 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88 and 89. And the second condition is asking that there is a 7 in my name. Among these number, which number has the digit 7? Yes, it is 87. So answer will be 87. Now let's look at some question given. So these are this type of question, so you can easily find out the answer. So let's move forward the next type of question. Remember one thing in this question, last question is asking that I came between 80 and 90 and there is a 2 8 in my name. Who am I? So just think it and find out the answer. Now let's do another type of question. Here I have 9 in my name and I am very close to 90. Take the help of number series. Here we can find out the number 90. Let's find out the number which are closest to the 90. One we can easily find out, that is 89, and another one is 91. So there are two numbers, those are close to 90, those are 89 and 91. In this case both of the number has the digit 9. But if you look at the question which has been given here, here are 5 option has been given here. Among those 5 option, uh, 2 option are there, 96 and 89, those which are having the digit 9. But 89 is more closer than 96, so your answer will be 89. So we had find the answer, that is 89. Now let's move forward to the next question. Next question is asking that I have 7 in my name and I am very close to 50. Let's take the help of number table and find out the number 50 here. And whenever we are doing this type of question, we can go forward and we can come backward also. Let's come backward and try to find out the digit 7. Okay, 49, 48, 47, we get it in 3 steps. And let's go forward and try to find out the digit 7. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Now we get the digit 57 in 7. So here 47 is more closer than 50, so answer will be 47. Now let's move forward to the next question. I have 3 in my name and I am very close to 60. Who am I? So here let's take the help of number table, find out 60 here. And now first we'll take steps to forward. 61, 62, 63. We get 3 in 3 steps. Now come backward. 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54 and 53. We can also get 3 in 7 steps in backward. So 63 is more closer than 53 from 60. So answer will be 63. Now there are some question which we have discussed, this type of question. In this question, remember one thing, first two are the easier one, third one and fourth one is little bit tricky. Read this question very carefully and try to find out the answer. You can take the help of number table also. Now let's do another type of question. This question is asking that I am exactly in between 2 and 4. Who am I? We can take the help of number table. First find out the number, these two numbers which has been given. First one is 2, second one is 4. So here we can easily find out the number in between them from the table given, that is 3. But in some cases we may face some problem. So there is a mathematical operation also through which we can find the answer. So whenever you want to find the number exactly in between two numbers, first step you should find out the difference between those two numbers. Then when you get the difference between those two numbers, then you have to find out the half of that difference to find the distance from that number which is exactly in between them from each of these two numbers. You can add that difference from number from the smaller one, and you can subtract that from the higher one. So here let's see the mathematical operation. There are two number has been given here, that those are 2 and 4. What should be our first step? First step to find out the difference between these two numbers, that is 2. Then if you want to find out the steps from each number, then you have to find out the half of the difference. Here half of the difference is, half of 2 is 1. So we get that the number which is exactly in between them is one step away from each of the number. One step more than 2 and one step less than 4. We can add 1 with 2, then we'll get 3. We can subtract 1 with 4, then we'll get 3. Now let's do another one. This question is asking that I am exactly in between 2 and 6. Who am I? We can take the help of number table. Easily we can find 2 and 6. Here also we can find the number exactly between these two, that is 4. So now how do we find out in a mathematical operation? What should be our first step? First step should be find out the difference between these two numbers, that is given 2 and 6. The difference between 2 and 6 is 4. So, and if you want to find the distance from each of the number, then we have to make the half of that difference, and half of 4 is 2. So we know the distance from 2 and 6 to that number is 2. We can add 2 with the lower number. We can subtract 2 from the larger number. So when we add 2 with 2, then we'll get the answer 4, and when we subtract 2 from 6, then also we'll get the answer 4. Now let's do another one which also has been given in your book. I am exactly in between 77 and 97. When we find these two numbers in the number table, this is one is 77 and this one is 97. We can easily find out the number between them by using number table, that is 87. But by using mathematical operation, first what we have to do, we have to find out the difference between these two numbers, and difference between 97 and 77 is 20. So then if you find the distance of the answer, the number which is exactly between these two numbers, then we have to make half of 20, that is 10. So we can add 10 with 77, then also we'll get 87. We can subtract 10 with 97, then also we'll get the answer 87. So यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, जब भी हम दो नंबर के बीचों बीच वाला नंबर ढूंढ रहे हैं, जो भी एग्जैक्टली उन दोनों के बीच में है वो ढूंढ रहे हैं, तो हमें हमारा पहला स्टेप ये होना चाहिए, हम उन दोनों जो नंबर गिवन है, जो स्मॉलर नंबर है यहाँ पे 77 है और जो लार्जर नंबर है यहाँ पे 97 है, तो फर्स्ट स्टेप हमारे क्या होना चाहिए, उन दोनों के बीच में डिफरेंस कितना है। डिफरेंस हमें कैसे मिलेगा, बड़े से छोटे को सब्ट्रैक्ट करके। यहाँ पे हम 97 से 77 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करके 20 के आराम से पा सकते हैं, तो यहाँ से हमें दोनों नंबर के बीच में डिफरेंस कितना है वो पता चल गया। लेकिन अगर हमें वो नंबर ढूंढना है, वो नंबर कितने डिस्टेंस में है दोनों नंबर से वो ढूंढना है, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, जो नंबर डिफरेंस मिला हमें उसका हाफ निकालना पड़ेगा। जैसे कि यहाँ पे हमें डिफरेंस कितना मिला है, 20 मिला है, तो 20 का हाफ अगर हम निकालेंगे तो कितना मिलेगा, 10। तो वो जो 10 मिला हमें, 10 77 से 10 स्टेप्स आगे है और 97 से 10 स्टेप पीछे है, तो वो 77 से हम 10 ऐड करके भी पा सकते हैं, 97 से 10 सब्ट्रैक्ट करके भी हम आंसर तक पहुंच सकते हैं। लेट्स डू अनदर वन। This question is asking that I am exactly in between 65 and 45. We can find out the number here 45 and 65. इन दोनों के बीच में जो नंबर है वो हम एक आराम से नंबर टेबल से पा सकते हैं, क्या है, 55। लेकिन इसको मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन में अगर हम करें तो पहले हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, we have to find out the difference between these two numbers, that is 20. Then find out, if you want to find the distance from each number to the number between these two numbers, then you have to find out the half of the difference, that is half of 20, that is 10. So we can add 10 with 45, then we'll get 55. We can subtract 10 from 65, then also we'll get 55. यहाँ पे जो सर्कल है 65 पे रह गया है वो बाय मिस्टेक है, सो आंसर यहाँ पे है 55। अभी थोड़ा ऊपर के लेवल के क्वेश्चन हम ट्राई कर सकते हैं। Here the question is asking that I am exactly in between 77 and 87. Who am I? First we have to find out the number 77 and 87. नंबर सीरीज से करना मुश्किल है, आगे अभी अगर हम मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन से करें, सो व्हाट शुड बी आवर फर्स्ट स्टेप, और फर्स्ट स्टेप शुड बी वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू नंबर। एंड हाउ डू वी गेट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू नंबर, वी कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट 77 फ्रॉम 87, ओके, एंड द आंसर विल बी 10। and if you find the distance from each of these numbers 77 87, then we have to find out the half of 10, that is 5. So when we add 5 with the smaller number, that is 77, we'll get to reach 82. When we subtract 5 from the 87, which is the larger one, then also we'll get to reach the 82, which will be the answer. So now let's do another question. I am exactly in between 40 and 54. Who am I? We can take the help of number table. Here first step should be find out the number 40 and 54. In this case we may face problem while doing it from the number series. So in this type of question we can take the help of mathematical operation. Okay, so what should be our first step? Our first step should be find out the difference between the number given. Here we can subtract 40 from 54 and find out the difference, that is 14. Okay, and if you want to find out the distance of the number between these two number 40 and 54 from each of these number, then we have to find out the half of the difference, that is 14. Half of the 14 is 7. So when we get the 7, we can add it with the smaller number, that is 40. 40 plus 7 is 47. We can subtract it from 54 also, that is 54 minus 7 is 47. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 47. So we have lots of practice this type of question. So now let's look at some other question. Just take the screenshot and do this question very carefully. Read the question one time, two time and do it. Now come back to the question given in your book. First question is already done. Second question is asking that I have 9 in my name and I am very close to 90. This question we have just done it before in this video, so here answer will be 89. So and come to the next question. If you hit a 4 after me, you scored a century. We know century means 100, so we can get it by subtracting 4 from 100. By subtracting 4 from 100 we'll get 96. So when you hit a 4, when you add 4 with 96, you will reach to 100. Now come to the question number D. I am equal to 10 notes of 10. It is a common question, we know it already. 10 tens means 100. So now come to the next question. I am century plus half century. We know century means 100 and half century means 50. So total of these two, 100 plus 50 is 150. So answer will be 150. Now come to the next question. I am exactly in between 77 and 97. This question we have done in in this video. So the answer will be 87. I know these questions are slight bit tricky question for you. So if you have faced any problem, you can ask me in WhatsApp, and you can watch it one time, two time, as much time as you can until you didn't get the concept. Then if you get the concept, then do the question which has been given. And thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.